Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the data type. One of the most fundamental characteristics of a programming language is the set of data types it supports. These are the type of values that can be represented and manipulated in a programming language. JavaScript allows you to work with these three primitive data types: numbers. It can be any simple integer number or can be float number. Strings, example simple string. Boolean, its value can be either true or false. JavaScript also defines two trivial data types, null and undefined. In addition to these primitive data types, JavaScript supports a composite data type known as object. We will discuss about it in our other tutorials. So finally, JavaScript supports these data types: string, number, boolean, array, object, null, and undefined. Now let's take a look at the example of data type. So here in this JavaScript example, variable s is string, variable I is number. Here it contains simple integer number. We can also write some float number here like this. Here variable b is boolean, which contains false value, and I have written here document.write function. If we want to know the type of our variable, Java provides type of keyword to know our variable's type. This is the simple. You can write type of, then space, and your variable name. So you will get the type of your variable. I have written here all three. Now let's check the output. So this is our output. Simple. Here type of keyword returns string for variable s, number for variable I, and boolean for variable b. Here I have used break line tag of HTML for breaking the line. Now let's discuss about the array. An array is a collection of individual values grouped together. An array essentially contains a series of numbered containers into which you can place values. So this is the structure of array. Here AR is the name of array and 0 is the index of array. Same way 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 5 elements of array AR. You can refer to containers in the array as array name with 0 index, array name with 1 index, and so on. Each of these individual elements can be manipulated and used just like a regular variable. Here this is very simple syntax to declare array in JavaScript. Write var keyword, then name of array, new keyword, then array, which is data type, and values of array. Let's take a look at the example. So here this is the example of array. This is very simple method to declare array. Here language is the name of array, which contains the value C, CPP, and Java. In other method, we can write array like this. Here script is the name of array, and HTML, this value is assigned to 0th element of script, and this is the third method to write array. Here database is the name of array. It contains these three values: MySQL, MS SQL, and Oracle. Now how to obtain values from array? We can simply write like this. If I want to access the language array and element number 2. I can write like this: language element index 2. It means Java. Okay. Same way, here I am using plus for concatenation. I want script 0th index and database. Okay. Now let's refresh our browser for output. So we have these three values from three different arrays. I hope now you have clear idea about the array and data type of JavaScript.